As you know, हम सोच रहे हैं, हम 2 घंटे से सोच रहे हैं, हम सोच रहे थे, हम 2 घंटे से सोच रहे थे, हम सोच रहे होंगे, हम 2 घंटे से सोच रहे हैं। What is the difference between both of these sentences? हम सोच रहे हैं फिर हम 2 घंटे से सोच रहे हैं। There is time period, there is a time period, and the rest of the sentence is same. हम सोच रहे हैं, हम 2 घंटे से सोच रहे हैं। I want to tell you one thing that we have already discussed, that word रहा, रही, and रहे. These 3 words tell that it is continuous tense. It is continuous tense. And the next word after raha, rahi, rahe, if there is a word tha, thi or the, it will be past. If there is he, hu, he, etc., it will be present. And if there is a word like hoga, hogi, etc., it will be future. So now the word raha, rahi and rahe are telling that it is continuous tense. But here we have 2 घंटे से, 2 घंटे से, 2 घंटे से. It is called time period. It is called time period. So if there is any sort of time period in any continuous tense, it will give the touch of perfect continuous tense. So if there is the word like raha, rahi or rahe and there is time period, then it will be called as perfect continuous. Like now, here are the words he, hu, he. It tells that it is present. It means it is present tense. Okay. Now this word rahe is telling that it is continuous, but this time period is telling that it is perfect. So now it is present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. In the same way, here it is present, and now it is continuous. So there is no time period, so it will be called as present continuous. So it is different between continuous and perfect continuous. That in Urdu sentences of present perfect continuous, there will be some sort of the time period. 2 घंटे से, 2 दिन से, 4 घंटे से, 4 महीनों से, 1 साल से. और if there will be like Monday से, Tuesday से, Wednesday से, January से, February से, March से, और 1990 से, 2020 से, etc. There will be some sort of the time period. It will be called as perfect continuous. In the same way, here is the word the. It is telling that it is past. It is telling that it is continuous, and it is telling that it is perfect. So now हम 2 घंटे से सोच रहे थे. It is past perfect continuous. 2 घंटे से again perfect. रहे continuous, and होंगे future. Now it is future perfect continuous. So simply if you look here, the past and rahe continuous. It is simply past continuous tense. होंगे future and rahe continuous. So future continuous. It is present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Then here is present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous.